Samsung finally updated their wearable app. It got a massive redesign and now it looks a lot more clean and futuristic than before. The update will be soon available on the Galaxy Store, but if you cannot wait for this update, then simply download the app file. Its link will be down in description, so do check it out. Opening up the app, we have this watch faces section that shows all the new and old watch faces that you can try out with your Galaxy Watch. It has different categories here like photos, workout, classic, informative, and others. We also have our downloaded watch faces section at the bottom. So basically, with this app, this first section is dedicated to all the watch faces you can try out on your Galaxy Watch. Since watch faces are the main thing for a watch, it's good to see a fully fledged dedicated page that is modern and minimal, contributed just to the watch faces. Next tab shows our watch. It exactly shows my Galaxy Watch 8 Classic and the watch face I have on this watch. Then you can tap here again to see all your watch faces. At the bottom, we have our regular watch settings like notifications, quick panel, tiles, and app screen. In the end, the last tab shows the rest of the settings and options which are available with this Galaxy Watch. Overall, the design of this app is looking really cool and minimal. Especially, I like that gradient glow in the background. What are your thoughts on this app? Do let me know in the comments. Next, we're getting the latest July update for Galaxy smartwatches. There's no new feature here, apart from that July security patch. You can check it out too for your Galaxy Watch. The update should be right there. Additionally, all the new upcoming watch faces for Galaxy Watch 9 and Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 have been also leaked. These new faces look good, but they're not something special or extraordinary this year. The first new face is Analog Balance. I think it'll be featured on the regular Galaxy Watch 9. It has a minimal black background and a bit of information in the background. The next face is Dual Digit. It also looks interesting with the clean background and nice font. Then we have Radial Dashboard, and this one will be featured on the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. You can use it without watch hands as well as with watch hands. It looks nice and sporty, and it was seen on many leaked images of Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. Moving on to the last one, which is Dual Clock Info Board. It's kinda similar to Digital Info Board we had before on Galaxy Watch. These are just the leaked images. I'll share these watch faces once their app file is here. I'll be posting a step-by-step guide on how to install them, so stay tuned for that. In the end, talking about Galaxy Watch Ultra 2, brightness on this watch will go up to 5,000 nits. That's something amazing, and only Garmin Fenix 8 Pro right now has a mini LED display that can go up to 4,500 nits of brightness. Further, expect a small price hike for Galaxy Watch Ultra 2, especially for the European market. It is expected to cost around €50 more this year, so the final price should be around €750. What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments and I'll catch you in the next one.